All right, so we're gonna be replacing a spring hinge screw using a self-aligning screw. So I'm gonna be using my optician screwdriver, okay? Wanna hold that the palm of your hand with the end and be able to spin it at the tip, not like a pencil. Do not hold it like a pencil, okay? We're also gonna be using like a plier just to cut the ends of our screw if it's too long once I place it on the temple end. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the screw first, okay? So this is our spring hinge, as you can see, and we're gonna remove our screw from the spring hinge. You wanna kind of find your sweet spot, comfortable spot. Mine is about right here. And then you wanna get the lefty loosey, boom, and it's out. All right, perfect. Once it's out, you wanna get your, right here, self-aligning screw. I don't know if you can see it too well. This screw kind of has a sharp point, so it makes it a little bit easier to kind of slide in to the hole, right? So now I'm gonna get it right in, and again, you want to get it in first, then you want to kind of snap it in, okay? Make sure you find that spot, and boom, it's snapped in. I don't know if you can see it, it's snapped in. And now, again, I want to still use my edge just to brace myself and screw it in. Lefty loosey, this time we're going right. I'm screwing it in, okay? And as you can see, I'm holding my frame kind of like at the end, so even if I slip, I don't get to the actual face front or the parts of the actual lens face or the lens itself. And it's getting in, but using my table, as you can see, it's poking out. So I need to kind of hold it in the air a little bit and screw it a little bit more since it was poking out. All right? And again, I'm holding it properly so that even if it slips, it doesn't reach my lens. Make sure it's right in. Perfect. Now it's in, as you can see, but it's protruding out and we want to cut that tip. So I'm just going to use my pliers since that's the nearest tool that I have and break that end off. Do it to the right, do it to the left, and voila, I broke the end off. I don't know if you can see it too well, but the end is broken off and it is perfect. Thank you.